Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James of the Chart Guys. It's Monday, July 24th. Gonna do my nightly video on gold. So be aware on the longer term time frame, the weekly, that we still have a downtrend, and we still have this long-term downtrend line where we have yet to break it. We've gotten above it, but yet to close above it, and you can see the clear rejections, especially here at the last top here. We did break to a higher high, but clear long upper wick and reversal candle confirmed by the following week's candle and more downside. So on the daily on gold, what we have currently, still have about 26 minutes till close, but currently have a doji of indecision. So basically that's saying bulls or bears are fighting at this level, and it lines up right here at that 1260 level that I've been watching on the daily, that I've mentioned in my videos. I said that 1260 is a key daily level that we need to break above, and right below $1 below at 1259 we have formed this indecision doji. So it's going to be an interesting week this week with this doji, and it depends on what tomorrow looks like. So if we have a bearish candle tomorrow, I'm going to start looking for a pullback in gold. And if you look at the miners on this gold bounce, gold has had a decent bounce, and it is $1 under the this recent high that we've had here on the daily here at that 1260 level. And if you look at GDX, now let's compare it to that recent high we've had. So the recent high for GDX is at 2281, and you can clearly see that we're pulling back here well under that level, and it looks nothing like what the gold chart looks like. So GDX and GDXJ, they both look weaker than their recent highs here on the daily, and that tells me that the miners are weaker than gold. So if gold pulls back, we could see a significant pullback in the miners. And speaking of that, the 3x ETF JNUG, what I'm looking at here is the weekly chart, and I know I've shared this weekly chart several times, or more than several times, in my gold videos recently, and I've said it just looked like consolidation and more downside. So you can see that on this downtrend here, we had this dump, some consolidation, further dump, consolidation, dump, consolidation. We did have this little bit upside, but then continued to dump. Not very much of a strong bounce follow through. And what made this such a weak follow through is after we had this high and we pulled back, we did form a higher low, but we were never able to break to a higher high on this weekly. So we dumped, pull back, and dumping again. So what we need to see to change this trend is on the weekly is to see a higher high, and currently that right now on JNUG is at 2180. So looking at the miners and looking weak, and I've been saying in my last few videos, I've been looking for a longer term, not long term, but midterm JDST play, waiting for the hourly RSI to cool down. And if you look at the US dollar, Japanese yen, what I'm watching is we saw that the trend broke on the US dollar, Japanese yen, and it broke by breaking this recent high here of 114.36. So we see that the new high is at 114.49. So far on the weekly, obviously it's the first day of the week to trade, but we do have long lower wick, potentially a reversal candle forming here on the weekly. We'll see how that plays out. But I am looking for a bear miner play still, and looking at gold and seeing it turn around potentially with the indecision doji on the daily, depending on what tomorrow's candle looks like. If it's a bear candle, then liking the bear play and looking for that JDST entry for the bear miners. So have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.